Welcome to this gentle morning yoga flow designed to energize your body and calm your mind. Take this time for yourself and let's begin. Gently rest your hands on your knees, soften your eyes or close your eyes. Center yourself, become present in your body, in this space, and connect to your breath. Take few slow breaths in and out through your nose. And gently open your eyes and start with some neck rolls. Move gently in clockwise direction first. Take 3 to 5 rounds on each side at your own pace. Change when you're ready to other side. Releasing the tension, the stiffness from your neck. Now let's move on to our shoulders. Put your hands on your shoulders. Lift your elbows up, round and down. Coordinate with your breath. Breathe in up and breathe out down. Again, do both the sides 3 to 5 times. Good for releasing tension from your shoulder, for your blood circulation. Now stretch your arms up. Take a long stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Twist to one side. Right hand on the left knee. Left hand back. Look over your left side. Then lift your left arm. Stretch up and lean to your right. Take a nice side long stretch. Continue to breathe. Opening your side body, energizing yourself. And now change the twist. Take your left arm up, breathe in. Breathe out, rest it on your right knee. And then twist over to your right side, exhaling. Keep breathing. And then lift your right arm up, stretch up, inhale, exhale to the left side. Relax your neck, opening your right side body, continue to breathe. Slowly come back. Now bend your legs, rest your hands back behind your hips. Lift your chest up, open your front body, creating more space to breathe. Gentle back bend, grounding your feet and your hands. And if you feel like, you can lift your hips up for a deeper stretch. Continue doing this for 3 times. Come back. Now take your legs side to side for windshield wiper, working on your lower body. And now let's take a variation of pigeon pose to release any stiffness from your hips. So put your left foot behind your right knee, flex your left foot, dropping your left knee down, resting your hands back. Good release for your hips, and then change. Bring your legs back, straighten your legs, stretch your arms up, long spine, breathe in. We are getting into seated forward bend. And then bring your arms forward, moving forward with your hips. Please feel free to bend your legs if you need to. Don't worry how far you are reaching. Just focus on how you're feeling in this pose. Take few breaths here. And then gently lift your arms up. Inhale, long stretch, breathe in. Breathe out, bring your arms down. Now let's get into butterfly pose. Bring your legs in, join your feet together, lifting your knees up and down slowly, activating your lower body. Slow down. And now from here, let's transition to all four position. Opening your fingers wide, keeping your wrists underneath your shoulders. Let's get into cat and cow pose. So arch your back, breathe in. Round your back, breathe out. Continue like this. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, arching your back. Breathing out, rounding your back. Now lift your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale, bring it in, underneath, and look to the right. Keep taking slow, deep breaths. Then on your next breath, take your left arm out and let's switch side. Right arm is up, look up, breathe in, breathe out, take your right arm in. Adjust your body, center yourself, and take few slow and deep breaths here again. Gently come out of this pose. Back in your tabletop position. Lift your left leg up and make circles with your left leg, bending your left leg. Take 3 circles on each side in clockwise and anti-clockwise. Once you're done, bring your left leg forward in low lunge position. Releasing your hip flexors and your hips. Stay here for another 3 breaths. And then bring your body back, straighten your left leg, flex your toes, stretching your hamstrings on the left side. Come forward and then change to the other side, bringing your left leg in and start to move with your right leg now in the same way, clockwise and anti-clockwise, opening your hips, working on your hip mobility, and then bring your right leg forward again in our hip flexor stretch, low lunge pose. And then let's get into hamstring stretch, half split. Come forward, breathe. Let's get into a plank position just for a few seconds, connecting to your strength. Make sure your body is in one straight line, your wrist is underneath your shoulders, and you're not sinking down into your hands. Breathe. And then knees down, bend your arms, coming down on your belly, hands underneath your shoulders, and transition to Sphinx pose from here, just like this. Press your hands down and open your chest, breathe, and then gently lower down, resting your chin on your hands, and slowly lift one leg and then another, and then see if you can lift both the legs up, taking your arms back, lift your chest up, coming in locust pose, Shalabhasana, good for strengthening your lower back. Breathe. And then slowly lower down, resting your head on your hands again. You can move gently side to side or stay still. From here, come on your left elbow, put your right hand in front and lift your right leg up and down slowly for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then roll over to your other side and lift the leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back on your belly, lower down, stretch your chest up in cobra pose. Breathe, looking side to side. From here, lie on your back. We're going to get into bridge pose. So bend your legs, press your feet down and your hands, and slowly lift your hips up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift both the legs up. Use your core. And now we're going to bring our legs up and down. So make sure you're not stressing your lower back to do that. Instead, you are using your core muscles, your abdominal muscles. Breathe. And then from here, gently rest. Bend your left leg. Hug your left leg with your hands. And then use your right hand to bring the left knee to the right, and you're looking over your left. Now lift your left leg up. Use both your hands to hold it from anywhere you can. And then just flex and point your left foot for 3 to 5 times, followed by some rotation in your left foot. And bring it down. Let's switch to the right side now. Hug your right knee in and then use your left hand to take it to the left side and looking in the opposite side. Stay here for 3 breaths. Bring it back. Gently lift it up now, your right leg. Hold it with your hands, flexing and pointing your right foot. Bring your right leg down, hug your knees, and make circles with your knees in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, relaxing your lower back. And from here, let's transition to happy baby. Bending your legs, holding it from your ankle or your toes. You can gently swing side to side or stay still. And then slowly stretch your legs straight, arms by the side of your body, and take a few minutes to rest your body completely here. Let go of all your worries and hurries for next few minutes. You are here giving yourself complete relaxation to start your day with a relaxed body and a calm mind. Then gently prepare yourself to come up, turning your body to one side, Slowly coming up in sitting position, and prepare yourself to do the pranayama practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Rest your right thumb on the right side of your nostril, inhaling from the left nostril, and then close the left, exhale from the right. Continue doing this. Make sure on every inhale you change your nostril. Take 5 to 7 rounds. Once you're done, rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes for a few breaths. This is an important time for you to now connect back to yourself. Focus on your breath. Focus on how your body feels now. Acknowledging your thoughts and anchor yourself here through your breath. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, a little more open, a little more awake, a little more calm. Even a few minutes of mindful movement can shift your entire day, bringing more energy, balance, and ease into everything you do. Now carry this feeling with you as you move through your day. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gentle yoga and well-being routines. And I would love to hear from you. How are you feeling right now after this practice? Thank you and have a lovely day ahead. Namaste.